Welcome to the world of micro-investing. In this video, we'll explore how you can use micro-investing apps to turn your spare change into real investments. Micro-investing is a modern approach that allows anyone to start investing with just a few dollars, making it accessible and easy for beginners. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or planning for the future, these apps offer a simple way to grow your wealth over time. Let's dive in and see how micro-investing works, why it's gaining popularity, and how you can get started today. Micro-investing is the practice of investing small amounts of money, often just spare change, into stocks, bonds, or other assets. Unlike traditional investing, which may require large sums, micro-investing apps break down barriers by letting you start with as little as a few cents. These apps round up your everyday purchases and automatically invest the difference, making it effortless to build your portfolio. It's a great way to dip your toes into the investment world without feeling overwhelmed or risking too much. Micro-investing apps are designed to make investing simple and automatic. After linking your bank account or credit card, these apps track your purchases. When you buy something, they round up the amount to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you spend $3.50, the app rounds up to $4 and invests 50 cents. Over time, these small amounts add up, helping you grow your investment portfolio without even noticing. The process is seamless and requires minimal effort from you. There are several micro-investing apps available today, each with unique features. Some of the most popular include Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood. Acorns specializes in rounding up spare change and investing it, while Stash allows you to choose specific stocks or ETFs. Robinhood offers commission-free trading and a user-friendly interface. These apps are designed for beginners and make investing accessible to everyone. Choosing the right app depends on your goals and preferences. Getting started with a micro-investing app is straightforward. First, download the app of your choice and create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email, and bank details. Most apps guide you through the setup process step by step. Once your account is linked, you can customize your investment preferences and start investing automatically. The setup usually takes just a few minutes, making it easy for anyone to begin. To enable automatic roundups, you'll need to link your bank account or credit card to the micro-investing app. This allows the app to track your purchases and round up the spare change. The process is secure, and most apps use encryption to protect your information. Once linked, the app will start monitoring your transactions and investing the difference. It's a safe and efficient way to automate your investments. Micro-investing apps offer a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can choose to invest in diversified portfolios or select specific assets based on your risk tolerance and goals. Some apps provide recommendations, while others let you customize your investments. It's important to review the options and select those that align with your financial objectives. Diversification helps reduce risk and maximize potential returns. Most micro-investing apps charge small fees for their services. These fees may be monthly, annual, or based on a percentage of your investments. It's important to understand the fee structure before choosing an app. While the fees are generally low, they can impact your returns over time. Always read the terms and conditions and compare different apps to find the best value for your money. Before you start investing, it's helpful to set clear goals. Are you saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement? Micro-investing apps often allow you to set specific targets and track your progress. Having a goal helps you stay motivated and make better investment decisions. Review your goals regularly and adjust your strategy as needed to stay on track. Automatic roundups are the core feature of most micro-investing apps. Whenever you make a purchase, the app rounds up the amount to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. This process is completely automated, so you don't have to worry about manually transferring money. Over time, these small contributions accumulate and help you build wealth effortlessly. It's a smart way to invest without changing your spending habits. In addition to automatic roundups, most micro-investing apps allow you to make manual contributions. You can deposit extra money whenever you want, giving you more control over your investments. This feature is useful if you want to boost your portfolio or take advantage of market opportunities. Manual contributions are flexible and can be adjusted based on your financial situation. Micro-investing apps provide easy-to-use dashboards that let you track your investments in real time. You can see how much you've invested, your portfolio's performance, and your progress toward goals. These dashboards are designed to be user-friendly, making it simple to monitor your financial growth. Regularly, checking your investments helps you stay informed and make better decisions. Micro-investing offers several benefits. It makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of income. The automatic roundup feature helps you save and invest without thinking about it. Over time, your spare change can grow into a substantial portfolio. Micro-investing also encourages good financial habits and helps you learn about investing in a low-risk environment. It's a great way to start building wealth. While micro-investing is generally safe, there are some risks to be aware of. Investments can lose value, and returns are not guaranteed. Fees may reduce your profits, especially if your portfolio is small. It's important to understand the risks and invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversifying your investments and staying informed can help minimize potential losses. Micro-investing apps take security seriously. They use encryption and other protective measures to keep your information safe. Many apps offer two-factor authentication and regular security updates. It's important to choose an app with strong security features and keep your login information private. These measures help protect your money and personal data. Many micro-investing apps provide educational resources to help you learn about investing. These include articles, videos, and tutorials on topics like stocks, bonds, and portfolio management. Learning about investing helps you make better decisions and understand how your money is working for you. Take advantage of these resources to improve your financial knowledge. Using micro-investing apps can help you build good financial habits. By investing regularly, even small amounts, you develop discipline and a savings mindset. The automatic features make it easy to stay consistent, and tracking your progress keeps you motivated. Over time, these habits can lead to greater financial stability and success. Micro-investing is perfect for beginners. The apps are designed to be user-friendly and require no prior investment knowledge. You can start with just a few dollars and learn as you go. The educational resources and automatic features make it easy to get started and build confidence. It's a low-risk way to enter the world of investing. Students can benefit from micro-investing by starting early and building good financial habits. With limited income, micro-investing apps make it possible to invest small amounts and learn about the stock market. Over time, these investments can grow and provide a financial cushion. It's a smart way for students to begin their investment journey. Families can use micro-investing apps to save for future expenses, such as education or vacations. By investing spare change from everyday purchases, families can build a nest egg over time. The apps make it easy to set goals and track progress, helping everyone stay motivated. It's a convenient way to save together and plan for the future. Micro-investing can help you save for retirement by making regular, small contributions. Over time, these investments can grow and provide additional income in retirement. The apps allow you to set retirement goals and monitor your progress. Starting early and staying consistent is key to maximizing your retirement savings. Building an emergency fund is important, and micro-investing apps can help. By investing spare change, you can gradually build a financial cushion for unexpected expenses. The apps make it easy to set emergency fund goals and track your progress. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and financial security. If you love to travel, micro-investing can help you save for your next adventure. By investing spare change from daily purchases, you can build a travel fund over time. The apps allow you to set travel goals and monitor your progress. It's a fun and easy way to save for vacations and explore new destinations. Micro-investing apps can help you save for gifts and special occasions. By rounding up your purchases, you can accumulate funds for birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. Setting gift goals and tracking your progress makes it easier to plan ahead and avoid last-minute stress. It's a thoughtful way to save for loved ones. Some micro-investing apps allow you to donate your spare change to charity. You can choose causes that matter to you and make a positive impact. The apps make it easy to set donation goals and track your contributions. Giving back through micro-investing is a rewarding way to help others. Saving for education is easier with micro-investing apps. By investing small amounts regularly, you can build a fund for tuition, books, or courses. The apps allow you to set education goals and monitor your progress. Investing in education is a smart way to prepare for future opportunities. Health expenses can be managed with micro-investing apps. By rounding up purchases and investing the difference, you can build a fund for medical bills or wellness activities. Setting health goals and tracking your progress helps you stay prepared for unexpected expenses. Investing in health is investing in your future. Saving for a home is a big goal, but micro-investing apps can help. By investing spare change, you can gradually build a fund for a down payment or home improvements. The apps make it easy to set home goals and monitor your progress. Every little bit adds up, bringing you closer to your dream home. Micro-investing isn't just for serious goals. You can use these apps to save for fun activities like concerts, hobbies, or entertainment. By rounding up purchases, you accumulate funds for leisure and enjoyment. Setting fun goals and tracking your progress makes saving exciting and rewarding. Micro-investing apps offer a simple and effective way to invest your spare change. By automating the process and providing user-friendly features, these apps make investing accessible to everyone. Whether you're saving for a specific goal or just want to build wealth, micro-investing is a smart strategy. Start today by choosing an app, setting your goals, and letting your spare change work for you. Remember, every little bit counts, and consistency is key to financial success.